So Shopify just added a small, but I think powerful and maybe overlooked very small update here to Shopify email, and that is the dynamic versus the static filter or button for the product section in Shopify email. So just to get our bearings here, we're in the Shopify admin, we are in Shopify email right down here, and we created a template. In the templates for Shopify email, we have stacked sections and blocks to make our emails like our online store. And if we add the product section here, just by adding the plus button here, clicking product, not collection, we have this filter area for dynamic or static, meaning this product section can be filtered at the time for static, meaning you would choose the products that are in this section and you would click add, and this would remain this way always, or you can click dynamic, this little lightning bolt here, and this would change depending on when the email was sent. If we look at things a little more closely, here's the full update. When you add a product section to your email template, you need to select one of the following options. In the product type section, dynamic, automatically display your store's best selling or most recently added products as of the time that the email is sent. I think that's very important. So since products are automatically populated in dynamic product sections, you can't manually adjust the products that display or edit the product text or images that display. And then of course there's static, manually select the specific products that you want to display in your email. And that's exactly what's happening with this dynamic selection button. Now, I think this is really important because in email marketing, there's two main things that we usually always want to cover. Number one is we want to have email marketing very automated. We have so many things we need to do when we're running our Shopify stores. Number one, email marketing is extremely useful marketing tactic, but it can take a lot of time. So setting up email automations is very important. And the second thing with email marketing is that the email campaigns and the automations that you send to your subscribers need to be very tailored to who they're going to. And that's where learning how to segment customers really well comes into play. Add in this dynamic section that changes when the email is sent. We can now achieve both of those objectives just with this quick little button or toggle here. And that's why I think this update is really important. That's why I'm doing a small little video on this specifically. I feel like this little button opens up a lot of opportunity when it comes to new email campaigns or automations. So for example, in Shopify email, we of course have all of these pre-built templates like any email app does, third party or first party. But it would be very easy, for example, to simply select the new product template, add a section to the new product template, add product, and then add dynamic product, and then show here recently published, okay? So as the update said, we have dynamic or static, and then if we choose dynamic, we can either add the recently published, so the newest items to your store, or the best sellers in a dynamic section here. Obviously, the best sellers is calculated from the sales that you make, and the recently published is published from the date that you add a new product. Now, of course, some Shopify stores aren't that large in terms of their product catalog, and so this recently published one might not update that often, but we do know that a lot of Shopify stores, clothing stores, computer stores that have a ton of different variants and a ton of different products can definitely take advantage of this. Remember, when you're first starting your Shopify stores, having more products doesn't mean more successful business, but having more products definitely means more work. Everything that goes into one single product listing is now multiplied by all your product listings and variant listings. Now, the second thing that we mentioned with email marketing is segmenting your customers and then sending them very specific emails that cater to their needs is very important with email marketing. So for example, if we come over to our marketing and we come over to our automations and we look at some of our automation templates, these automation templates are emails, of course, and these automation templates send emails in a flow, in a line using Shopify Flow, but they individually send campaigns, which are found in our email app that we just opened and we can configure. So it would be very, very, very simple to create or add to the new subscriber discount flow, wait 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, and then send a very simple email campaign that we configured with a dynamic product section that says recently added or new in. And every single time that's sent to a new customer who has never seen this email before, that section would change because it's dynamic. And if you've added new products over those 6 months, this would be a highly curated email to a brand new subscriber. Same thing with the welcome new subscribers with a discount code series. As we can see, send new subscribers a welcome series with 4 emails when they subscribe. So if we click into this automation, we can see this function here, wait 24 hours, and this can be fully customizable. So you can say wait 24 hours, but then wait 6 months. And then after 6 months, send a best sellers based on the dynamic products section. So you don't have to manually add products to that section. It's just dynamic, it'll calculate for you. And then the new subscriber will see the best-selling products in a new campaign that they've never seen before with products that are automating for you because it's a dynamic section to a new subscriber. And this is very, very tailored, and this is also very, very automated. So just a small little update that we discovered recently. If you have a Shopify store and you love Shopify updates and ideas, subscribe to the channel and our community. Definitely a small update that I think can really expand your email marketing efforts, give you a lot more ideas in terms of automations, in terms of Shopify Flow, in terms of Shopify email, in terms of just this product section and who you show it to and what segments you show it to. And I thought that's really cool, and I thought I'd make a new video on it. If you're brand new to Shopify, check out our beginners program down below. If you want your Shopify brand featured in our videos for more brand awareness and SEO links, check out our Patreon. And if you subscribe, I'll see you in the next video.